Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look, which I proclaimed as the first holiday look of 2020. I absolutely love the way that this looks, and I am using the Nabla Side by Side Nude palette and the glitter palette that they released, Ruby Lights. So I love the way that this turned out. I think it's so beautiful and fun, and this glitter just gives me life. However, I will tell you guys, it is a very chunky and thick glitter, so if you are going to do this look, please be sure to be very careful with your eyes. I added a glitter glue to help with some of the fallout, but please do be careful. It is not cosmetic grade glitter, and use it at your own risk. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so today we are going to be playing with the Nabla Side by Side Nude palette, and let me show you guys what it looks like. Boom. It looks like it's nothing special, but she's special. So I'm going to start off by taking Bonjour, which is this color here, and I am going to apply this color all over my lid. I already primed my lids using the Hourglass eye primer, and on my skin I have on the NARS foundation in Valencia. You guys know I love this foundation, and I literally needed to find the right shade. I just felt like Barcelona was a little too light, and after watching a few videos I have come to realize that I'm not the only one that feels that way. The feedback has been that this formula is running a little light. So I am now going to take burnt sienna with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this color and just pack it into the outer corner here. So I reached out to NARS, and I got set up with someone who could help me. I sent them a picture of me wearing Barcelona, and then they said, you know, you might benefit from using Valencia. It's in between Aruba and Barcelona, and I really thought that I would be Aruba just watching some videos. So I'm glad that I reached out to them and I took their advice, and here I am with a match that I really like. I'm just blending these edges out. Alright guys, I'm going to take Body and Soul, which is this shade here. I'm going to use it with my finger. This feels so creamy. It feels wet. Wow. I'm going to go in with burnt sienna again and just reinforce my color placement. Wow. I'm going to take Tempera, which is this shade here. It's a little bit deeper than burnt sienna, and I'm just going to push that right in the outer corner. I have one more meeting today, and I'm debating on whether I'm throwing some glitter on. I think I can get away with not turning my camera on. So I have been dying to play with this, and yesterday I did start to play with it, and I want to take this shade here, which is Capricorn. Let me see if I have a glitter glue, because I did press this on yesterday and it does stay on, but I mean, this looks really pretty on its own, just so you guys see. But I do want to just make sure that I don't get it on my eyes, inside my eyes. Alright, so I found my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm just going to take that and press it right in the inner corner, or the inner part of my eye, to make sure that this glitter does not fall. And again, I tried this yesterday. It gives me so much joy. I did try this yesterday, and I had some fallout, which is expected because it's glitter. But my concern was that I don't want it to get into like my actual eye, because this will cut you. I remember, here's a fun story for you guys. Years ago, when actually it was my first day working with Mac, my first day with Mac was Christmas Eve. And I know that because my husband, who was my fiance, no, my boyfriend at the time, he picked me up. I worked at the store downtown, and I wanted to obviously be festive, and I wanted to be like, you know, full-blown glam. And so I did gold glitter, and it was a chunky, thick glitter. And sure enough, I got it in my eye after having it on for many hours and working really, really long shift. And when I got to my cousin's house, she was hosting that year, I legit had to take my contact off, and it was shred to pieces. And luckily nothing happened to my eye, but it can totally happen. I'm taking tempera and just kind of pushing this so that it blends. I feel like I need to take just a little bit more of this glitter glue, and sure enough, the glitter glue does help. This product does not need glitter glue. Just know that it really doesn't. However, if you don't apply glitter, you're going to get it all over at some point or another. Because when I was just playing with it, I had it all over my lower lash line. Even now I can still see some sparkles on my face, but not nearly as many as yesterday. So I'm happy. Oh, look at how pretty this is, guys. Using this has really inspired me to want to play with the Miami Lights one. I love this so much. So I feel with this look, I need to wing it out some. So I've started to wing out my shadow here. I'm going to do it here. Just because I feel like it needs to be a little bit more dramatic. So I am having some fallout. So just, I'm not going to tell you guys to use these on your eyes because it is a very grainy, thick glitter, which is what gives it so much dimension and sparkle and beauty. But it can definitely do some damage. So use at your own discretion. Be very careful, as I am. We need to use liner today. So anytime that I'm doing a look with glitter, I will always use my Inglot 77 liner. And the reason is that this stuff is so pigmented and creamy, it will go over rocks. Like, it is just that incredibly pigmented. So I'm gonna try and show you guys. Look at how smooth it goes over that glitter. There's something about this formula that just allows it to glide through, glide over anything. And it's Inglot number 77. It's the black liner. All right, guys, so this is what it's looking like. And I am going to now take my mascara. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar Mascara. And I'm just going to go over what I already had to make sure that any glitter that may have fallen on my lashes or sparkles are covered. So this is what the eye makeup is looking like. I need to touch this up a little bit. It's gonna drive me nuts. All right, guys, so I'm going to take my fluffy brush that I used to apply that brown, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of burnt sienna and tempera, which were the two shades, I keep saying it wrong, I know, that I used on the outer corners. I'm mixing that and just applying it right under my eyes, or on the lower lash line. This glitter is stunning, but honestly, like, the little specks everywhere is driving me nuts. I'm going to take the mascara again and just run it through the lower lashes. I'm going to use my Gucci number 4 bronzing powder. It's what I have on now, but I'm just going to add a little bit more because I'm seeing that I need it for this look. Man, I love the way this bronzer smells. I feel like this area here was looking a little light. Don't let me down, Valencia. Don't let me down. I'm going to use the Dior Copper Gold highlighter. I'm going to take this shade and this shade. I'm still trying to figure out how to make that bronzy shade work. Right now I'm just going in with the top peachy gold shade. Oh man, so beautiful. And then I'm just going to lightly tap into that and just add it right at the top. For my blush, I'm going to take this Fenty Rose Latte shade. And I'm going to use the same brush that I used to apply my bronzer. And I'm just going to stipple that onto my cheeks. Yeah, this is good. Alright guys, so I went and I did my hair. I'm going to take Urban Decay 1995 lip pencil, and I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs, I think it's supposed to be like a cream lipstick in Hot Cocoa. This is what it looks like with just the lip pencil, but we're going to go in with the cream. Alright guys, this is exactly what I wanted. So here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I love the way that this turned out. This is definitely a very festive and holiday look. Let's just call this my first holiday look. I mean, come on, just let me have it. So I love this glitter. I love the way everything looks. Like, it's just a very nude but playful look. So if you guys enjoyed this, please be sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell because I do upload 3 videos a week. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.